Hi dear friends, welcome to my new YouTube channel EF. EF is a unique channel, unique in the sense that E represents education and F represents fun. This channel consists of education and fun. Today is our first episode, and I assure you that you will get immense fun traveling the journey with us. Definitely. Be prepared for our first video of the day. Friends, as I told you that you will get a lot of fun, I think the most fun providing subject is mathematics. Today's episode is inspired by the latest upcoming movie Shakuntala Devi, wherein there is a line in the promos which says that mathematics is not about rules, but it is about magic. Indeed, friends, mathematics is all about magic, and I'll show some of very funny magical things in mathematics. First thing I'm going to tell you is about legendary mathematician Ramanujan. He was a young mathematician of India who died at a tender age of only 32 years. I'll tell you a story. He went to England and caught up with TB. His mentor, Professor Hardy, came to see him in the hospital where he was admitted. And Mr. Hardy was feeling very sad and didn't know what to talk to Ramanujan. So he said, to start a conversation, he said, Ramanujan, I came in a taxi and it has a very boring number. Ramanujan asked about what is the number. And Hardy said, the number is 1729. It is very boring number. But Ramanujan immediately said, no sir, 1729 is not at all a boring number. But it is a very unique number and it is a magical number. And Hardy was surprised. And Ramanujan, while even in the hospital bed, he said that 1729 is a very unique number. How it is a unique number? He said, this 1729 is the smallest number that can be represented as sum of cubes of two different numbers. Yes, it is the smallest number that can be represented as sum of cubes of two different numbers. That is, in one condition, a is a number, b is a number, then aq plus bq is equal to 1729. And the second condition is, if x and y are two other different numbers, then x cube plus y cube is equal to 1729. So 1729 can be written as 1000 plus 729. 1000 can be written as 10 into 10 into 10. 729 can be written as 9 into 9 into 9. That is 10 cube plus 9 cube. Now second condition is 1729 can also be written as 1728 plus 1. 1728 is 12 into 12 into 12, and 1 can be written as 1 into 1 into 1. That means 12 cube plus 1 cube. That is C. Now this 1729 was written as 10 cube plus 9 cube is equal to 1729. And in the second case, what happened? 12 cube plus 1 cube, that is 1729. Isn't it great? And what this thing happened when Ramanujan was in a hospital. This is magical thing. This is magic of mathematics. I'll explain some other magical things also. Now let us start from a very basic thing, that is 9 table. When we are kids, we all found that 9 table was very difficult to understand. But how easy it can be, see, and how magical it can be. Suppose you want to write a 9 table. Write like this, simple. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And now start writing reversely. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See how easy 9 table is completed. Now we will see another magical thing, that is in 19th table. This table was taught to me by my uncle, who was a teacher. See how easy it is. Like the 9 table, you write all the numbers from 9 to 0. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Now, what to do here? Start writing all the even numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Sorry, I thought I had told even numbers. It's not even numbers, but it's odd numbers. That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. See how easy. Isn't it very simple? Hope you have enjoyed it. Another thing we will discuss today is very basic thing, that is a plus b's whole square. From our childhood days, we are always learning that a plus b's whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. But why it is a square plus 2ab plus b square? Let's find it out. Let's take this square. In the square, this portion is a and this portion is b. So this whole portion is a plus b. Now when I say the square, the area of this entire square is a plus b's whole square, isn't it? Now this portion is a, this is a, this is a, and this is a. So what is the area of this square? This is comes a square. Now this is b, this is b, this is b, and this is b. Now it is a square. Area of this square is equal to b square. Now this is a rectangle where this is a and this is b. This is also a rectangle where this is b and this is a. So area of this rectangle is equal to AB, and area of this rectangle is AB. So a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. See how simple it is. This is how the a plus b whole square was derived. Hope you have enjoyed this. Thank you. Thanks for watching.